friend, are you getting into good habits and caring for yourself? Don't forget, you signed a contract. Isn't that fun? Why did I do this? Because I wanted you to know that I care about you. And if I can keep you in good habits, that's my intention. Today I want to talk about my mom. And I love my mom. I don't know why it was so difficult to get her to start using the youth serum. Certainly I gave it to her, but she wasn't using it. She kept on using her Estee Lauder, her Clinique, her Clarins, all these really expensive products, and she wasn't really seeing results. So I kept on saying to her, Mom, listen, I write for national skincare magazines. I teach at national skincare conferences. People think I'm at least 10 years younger than I am. So finally she tried it, and within 2 months, all of her friends started saying to her, what did she do to her skin? Did she have a facelift? What's going on? So, of course, I start beaming because I love it so much when people start getting results. And this is my mom, and she's looking great and she's so happy when she looks in a mirror. And I think looking young keeps you feeling great and keeps you maintaining your vitality. So this is why I think it's so important to always look your best and be happy when you look into the mirror. So until next time, keep honoring your contract, get into those good habits, and most importantly, know that you're as beautiful as I believe you are.